My name is Sarah Mills. I'm the Senior Immigration Attorney at Kentucky Refugee Ministries. Our office provides low-cost immigration legal representation in the areas of family-based immigration as well as humanitarian immigration. We do a lot of family reunification cases for refugees, permanent residents, and citizens who want to bring their fiance, spouse, child, or parents to the United States.
Leave your kid behind. It's not easy. Whenever you eat, you feel you eat, but you don't know, even you don't know the taste of the food. You think about your kid. Whatever you get it, you don't feel happiness.
These are the applicants to take the oath of allegiance. On behalf of the government of the United States of America, it is my great privilege to request that the court now administer the oath of allegiance.
All right. I hereby declare on oath.
Once they get the permanent residency, 5 years after that, they're eligible for citizenship. There are a lot of other requirements though. One, they have to be able to read, write, speak, and understand English or qualify for a waiver of that requirement. They have to show that they have good moral character, and they have to pass a civics test. And our agency has free citizenship classes every week to assist clients with that. And then as attorneys, we represent a lot of clients going through that. We fill out the paperwork for them, and then we file it with immigration, and we go to the interviews for them. One of our services that is in the highest demand right now is representation in asylum proceedings. So you can think of an asylee as really the same as a refugee. The only difference in an asylee and a refugee is that a refugee is granted that status before they come into the United States, and an asylee is granted that status within the United States, either by an immigration judge or a USCIS officer.
Entonces, yo fui policía en Venezuela, pero yo me fui de la policía en el año 2008. Teníamos una buena vida. Yo fui a la universidad, mi esposa fue a la universidad, tuvimos nuestros trabajos.
In order to qualify for asylum, you have to prove that you will face persecution in your home country based on one of 5 protected grounds. Those are race, nationality, religion, political opinion, or membership in a particular social group. And it's very difficult to win an asylum case. The burden is on the immigrant to prove that they meet each element of the law. And it's extremely difficult to do that without legal representation, because you need to put together country conditions reports, you need witnesses, you need to gather evidence. We write a brief for them. So for us, that can be between 60 and 80 hours of work that we put into each asylum case. And the demand for that representation has increased so much over the last few years.
Bueno, yo continué con mis actividades, normal, mi vida con trabajo y eso, y de vez en cuando hacía mis actividades políticas, porque era como voluntariado, como te lo digo. Pero si una cosa en la vida me ha enseñado algo en la policía, bueno, y en la vida, es que después de las amenazas o ciertas advertencias, tú ya debes de pensar que puede pasar. Ahí me golpearon, me amenazaron, que me iban a entregar a la guardia, que me iban a meter preso. Bueno, yo fui policía en Caracas, tampoco me asusté así tan fácil, o sea, no era, tú sabes, ay, sí, me vas a asustar. Pero entonces pasó algo que sí me asustó, que fue que fueron a mi casa y se llevaron a mi esposa. Entonces yo le dije a mi esposa, mira, tenemos que ir. Mi temor más grande no era por mí, era por mi familia.
I do want to clarify that it's not illegal to seek asylum, and it's not illegal to go to the border to ask for asylum. That's really the only way that you can do it. So when someone fears persecution in their home country and they come to the US-Mexico border and ask for asylum, there's nothing illegal about that. They're actually following the laws and going through the process. We are kind of like the last line of defense for someone. You're not entitled to an immigration attorney at the government's expense. So if you cannot afford a private attorney, you might come to Catholic Charities or Kentucky Refugee Ministries. If we are at capacity, then you're just likely not going to have an attorney, and your likelihood of being ordered deported is much, much greater if you're unrepresented.
Me acuerdo claro del párrafo, decía, usted puede buscar ayuda, si está en Kentucky, ir a tal y tal, tal sitio. No es fácil dejarlo todo atrás y comenzar de cero.
We're all now United States citizens.
Our greatest need now is financial support. Our attorneys and Department of Justice accredited reps have a lot of experience. We have great language capacity, and we're ready to do the work. We're ready to fight for our clients.
I can't even describe it how much I am happy. I feel like a new life.
Pero ahora tenemos paz espiritual, paz mental.